Making a dentist's appointment. Receptionist, patient.
Good morning, Green Dental Clinic. How can I help you?
Good morning. I'd like to book an appointment, please.
Of course. Do you have a toothache?
Yes, I do. I have a toothache and some pain.
I'm sorry to hear that. Do you need an appointment as soon as possible?
Yes, I do. I'd like an appointment as soon as possible.
Okay, I will check the dentist's schedule. One moment, please.
Thank you.
I have an opening in the schedule tomorrow at 10 a.m. Does that work for you?
Yes, that works for me.
Good. Do you have health insurance?
Yes, I do.
Great. What is your contact number, please?
My contact number is 780-555-1234.
Thank you. Your appointment is tomorrow at 10 a.m. We will call you to confirm your appointment.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. See you tomorrow.
The steps to book an appointment. 4-step timeline. 1. Greeting. 2. The problem. 3. The schedule. 4. The details.